Hi all, a quick back to basics video about creating a simple box shape by a couple of different methods. So I've started with my base tab. I've got a sketch here which I'll come back to later, and I've already created my flat pattern. Why have I done that? Well, let's have a look. If I create a new window and switch to the flat pattern view and just park that over here on the right hand side, as I'm modifying and creating my part, I can see my flat pattern be generated dynamically and simultaneously. So let's dive straight in. Start with the flange command and create flanges, all four in one feature. Set my length to be 30. Now my corners I've set to material inside, so there's some overlap going on here. I can change that to be bend outside, but of course that changes the whole physical size of the box. And I can tidy up these corners later. I can add a mitre to tidy them up at this stage, and we'll apply that. So I now need a return flange, and again I do the same thing. I pick on these edges. This time I want a return of 15. And the mitre has no impact on these corners because each of the seed edges was from a different original base rather than all from a connected web face. So we need to do some further processing with this process to clean up the corners. And the way we do that is the close corner command. If I select adjacent bends, it ripples through and creates the mitre that we're looking for. I can go around and do all of the corners at the same time in the same feature. OK that, we can see our flat pattern update, and we can see our box is now complete with these three features. Let's look at option 2. This uses this sketch which I've created, which generates the sketched profile for the vertical and the horizontal walls, the 30 and the 15. And we're going to use the contour flange. Just reset this, and if I select the curves, we can see our flange start to build here. And what we want to do is to chain this around all faces. So I opt for the chain setting here, select edge. I can go around and select. What I want to do is just do face edges and pick the face, and it's done for me in one shot. The corners are automatically mitered. If I want to change the corner profile, the corner shape, I can use the built-in closed corner. At the moment that's set to open. Let's just explore what we can do here. I can close, I can mitre, I can create a gap if need be. Let's say we wanted U cut out. And that's at the corner point. And of course this diameter I can make, let's say 0.5. And look at the corner settings and have a 0.5 gap. And we can see that propagates through round onto the bottom side, and we OK, and our flat pattern is built. And there we have two simple techniques to create a box.